Hey everyone, it's Double Moms. In today's episode, we're going to break down why WHLR, Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust, is one of the strongest setups we've seen this week. But before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button and set those notifications on so you don't miss any of our episodes. And be sure to like and share this video. Now, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get all of our real-time alerts and our custom scanners, the link is in the description. We alerted 8 100% plus runners for our private Discord members today, June 18th, 2025. You can get all our real-time alerts, news, and custom scanners for the first 4 days at only $1.99. We are just made different, folks, and the early bird, as you know, gets the cash. Links in the description. Come and join the team and trade smarter. Now let's kick this off with a fast rundown of the core stats on WHLR. This is a micro float stock, guys, around 558,000 shares available. Now that's tiny. When it trades over 3 million shares in a session like it did today, you get fireworks. That's a volume to float ratio of about 5.7 times, which checks every box in our Parabolic setup formula. It closed around $5.65 with a high of day at $6.25, and it's consolidating just below that, showing strength into the after hours. Now let's look at the technicals. Now, as far as the intraday structure, WHLR had a textbook parabolic surge, explosive move off a VWAP, no major fakeouts, and most importantly, it held trend. Now, price is now forming a bullish coil with higher lows stacking under that $6.25 resistance. The 9 EMA is stacked cleanly above the VWAP. VWAP is above the 200 EMA. This kind of alignment, 9 above the VWAP and which is above the 200, is pure gold for momentum traders. It tells us the price is trending upward with institutional support. Now, the RSI originally spiked but has reset above the 50 zone. Now it's curling back up. That's a classic second leg loading signal. Now, we've seen this exact RSI behavior lead to major breakouts in past runners. Even after the initial spike, the volume stayed consistent, no collapse in the buyer interest. We're not seeing the kind of fade that usually ends these runs, and this has room for more upside if volume ramps up on Friday morning. On the daily chart, WHLR just broke through the key resistance levels that have held it back for weeks. Now, we're not quite above the 200-day SMA yet, but the stock is now in open air above multi-day highs, which means no real resistance until much higher levels. In short, guys, daily breakout conditions are active, and combined with the micro float, this thing can rip fast if the right eyes jump on it. So, where does WHLR rank in the Coach Nick Money Parabolic scale? Let's break it down. Micro float under 1 million, check. Volume under 5 times the float, check. No dilution, no split risk, check. Clean intraday structure and trend holdings, check. RSI set up for second wave, check. Daily resistance break, check. This is high likelihood parabolic setup. Now, the only risk? Low floats can reverse hard if volume dries up. I'll be watching the $5.40 zone, and if that fails on weak tape, the setup may likely be broken. But if we can get confirmed breakout over $6.25, it can be an open runway. So here's what I'll be watching Friday morning. Pre-market volume. If we get over 500,000 in early volume, the eyes can come in fast. For a gap behavior, a small gap over $6 followed by consolidation would be ideal. As far as a breakout trigger, $6.25 may be a good place. Clear that with volume, and we could see $7 plus pretty quickly. The tape strength, I'm watching for strong bid support above the VWAP. If it holds, it's game on. Now the market mood, remember, Thursday the 19th of June is the markets are closed. So Friday could bring pent-up momentum. But I'm also keeping an eye on geopolitical noise. Please note, folks, we are not stock or professional advisors and not stock or financial advisors. This is not professional advice. This video is just for entertainment purposes only. Always do your own due diligence. That's all for our update on WHLR. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow traders. Stay tuned for more stock updates and trading insights. And until next time, it's Double Moms. I'll see all of you again on the flip side.